Get things started, you're going to remove this housing from the rest of the weed eater, and to do that is to turn this arrow away from the lock padlock to the arrow over here, and you do that by holding this piece at the top steady and turning this to the left, so anti-clockwise, and it is quite tight, so like that. Now the fixed line housing has two purposes. It could be for fixed line or it could be for fixed blade, and they're both really simple to set up. All you need to do is drop your blades in, or if you want to use a string attachment, then you would get your string line, 11-inch piece here, and you slot it through the hole on this side and then pull it through, and that'll lock it in place, and do the same on the other side. Attaching a fixed line attachment is the same as a fixed blade attachment because it is the same tool. And to attach this to the strimmer head, you line these two pins up here with the two slots or for the pins over here. So we'll put that on and they slot right in. So now that we have the fixed line arrows lined up, all we need to do is just turn it clockwise and it'll be in the lock position. Now this is really difficult. I would just recommend keeping the bump feed on, but